Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'd like to share with you my purchase that I ordered from Flairbyme. I ordered the pink kit and the blue kit from Marlena, and she also sent me some happy mail. This is the pink kit, and it's got a lot of homemade flowers and a lot of goodies in here, and I just can't wait to get my hands on this. It's so gorgeous, and look at this pink and blue kit here. It's got a lot of nice stuff in here. I haven't opened them up yet. Can't wait. I've never done a Doily book before, so this will be my first ones. And she also sent me a little happy mail. She sent me this beautiful banner. I don't know, I can't get it all in the camera, but it says dream on it, and it's got beautiful doilies and appliques on it, butterflies, flat back pearls. That's the D, and this is the R, and they're all so beautifully. They're just gorgeous. I just can't wait because I have another window down here. I have a bay window, so I can put this on one of the windows. I have one already banner, and I have to put another one that I have, and this will be my third banner on that window, and it's going to look fantastic down here. So I'm starting to decorate my room down here. It's just gorgeous. I love them. I love all the colors that she put in here. These are all my favorite colors, and it's beautifully made and everything. Oh, and it smells gorgeous. This is the blue kit, and it looks like it's got a lot of stuff in here. Sorry for the crinkling. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Look at all that stuff. Look at. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't even want to mess it up. That's how beautiful it is, but sooner or later I gotta get my hands on it. So that's that one. And this is the pink one. And it's just as beautiful as the blue one. Look at that. I guess this is one of her homemade flowers. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. I love that trim. Love, love, love this trim here. Just gorgeous trim. Well, I just can't wait to get my hands on it. I haven't been doing a lot of crafting lately because my shoulder's been sore, and I have been going to a chiropractor to get it straightened out. But as soon as I can, that's where my hands are going, on these two kits to make these beautiful doily books. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.